it's Kira from Monroe, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a freehold luxury apartment which is one of only 3 in the building within a prestigious Alwoodley location. Welcome to High Winds. This huge open plan kitchen, living and dining room is an exceptional space, perfectly setting the tone for the rest of the home. Entering through double doors from the hallway, there's lots of natural light and direct access to the covered southwest facing balcony. In the kitchen, there are granite worktops, an outstanding 3-metre island with breakfast bar seating, and integrated appliances including a range master and wine cooler. Just off the main living space, you'll find a separate utility and preparation kitchen, snug and a WC. Throughout the whole apartment, there is convenient underfloor heating. Entering the primary bedroom, there is a walk-in wardrobe, direct balcony access and the fully tiled ensuite with a walk-in rainfall shower and impressive freestanding bath. There are 2 further bedrooms which are fully equipped with integrated storage, private terrace or balcony and a dedicated fully tiled ensuite complete with double vanity sinks and a rainfall shower. Is set within electric gates and offers beautiful communal gardens as well as underground parking with 3 allocated spots and lift access. To arrange your viewing, call Monroe.